Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will do the demo of my 14th week, and I use around 15 hours for coding, 3.5 hours for designing and researching in the last week. Let's get started. So the first thing I want to share is I started using global style for all the tests font size of my application, which means it can better fit the different screen shape, and maybe it's not very clear on this demo because I only use one devices, but if I using it on the iPad or other larger phone screen, it might can see the difference. And another thing I want to share is I add a new page called feedback. After the user click the feedback, it is a form, and for the issue and feedback test input, this is the required part. Also the contact email is the required part, but for the image, mostly it's like the screenshot that is optional. And you can type something like, after you input, the test limit is 400 characters, and after you input your feedback and the contact information, maybe I will just use a fake Gmail, so it will check if this is a valid email address, but it's not very clear. So if I'm using a fake one, it can also be pass the check, and I can attach an image here. After I click the submit button, I will be jumped back to the setting page. At the same time, my personal Gmail will receive the email, the feedback information in email like this. And we can check if this is the image we just attached, and it is. So this is a new feature I implemented in the past week. Another update is, if you remember the last demo, the reject button looks outline is oversized to the card, and I make it smaller and also list all complaints in a time range. So these are the updates I made in the past week. Hope you have a great weekend. See you next week. Bye bye.